Welcome to Baltimore. The local time is 1:52 in the afternoon. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, and I'll carry on items stowed until we have reached the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Before deplaning, please ensure you have all your personal items and take care when opening the overhead compartments. You may now use your cell phones and wireless email devices at this time. Our aircraft will be met by Spirit Airlines representatives who answer any questions regarding baggage claim, ground transportation, and connecting flights. You can also check the monitors in the terminal or log on to spirit.com, which will provide you the most accurate and up-to-the-minute flight and gate information. On behalf of all of us here at Spirit Airlines, your flight crew